Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast.
Hello, we are happy to see you today.
My name is John.
And I am Olivia.
Today, we will talk about money.
Yes, we will talk about money and budgets.
This is an important topic.
Very important. Everyone needs to know about money.
Are you ready, Olivia?
Yes, I am ready. Let's start.
Good. So, Olivia, do you like to talk about money?
That is a good question. Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why sometimes no?
Because money can be stressful.
That is true. Money can cause stress.
But we need to talk about it.
Exactly. We need to understand money.
Yes, if we understand money, we feel better.
I agree. So, let's start with a simple question.
Okay, what is the question?
What is money for you?
Money. Money is a tool.
A tool? Can you explain?
Yes, we use money to buy things we need.
Like food and clothes?
Exactly. Food, clothes, and a home.
Those are basic needs.
Yes, we need money for basic needs.
What else do we need money for?
We need money for transportation.
Transportation? You mean buses and trains?
Yes, or a car or a bicycle.
That's right. We need to go to work.
And we need to go to the store.
Exactly. Transportation is important.
What else do we use money for, John?
We use money for health care.
Healthcare? You mean doctors?
Yes, when we are sick, we go to the doctor.
And doctors cost money.
Yes, medicine also costs money.
That is true. Healthcare is expensive.
So we need to save money for health care.
Exactly. We need to be prepared.
Now, let's talk about budgets.
Budgets. Yes, this is important.
Do you have a budget, Olivia?
Yes, I do. I started making a budget last year.
That's great. How do you make a budget?
First, I write down my income.
Income. What is that?
Income is the money I earn.
Oh, the money from your job.
Exactly. My salary is my income.
I see. So you write down your salary.
Yes, then I write down my expenses.
Expenses are the things you spend money on.
Exactly, like rent, food, and electricity.
So you write down everything you spend?
Yes, I write down everything.
That sounds like a lot of work.
It is work, but it is important.
Why is it important?
Because then I know where my money goes.
Oh, so you can see your spending habits.
Exactly. I can see if I spend too much.
That is very smart.
Thank you. Do you have a budget, John?
Yes, I started making one this year.
That's wonderful. How is it going?
It is going well. I learned a lot about my spending.
What did you learn?
I learned that I spend too much on coffee.
Coffee? Really?
Yes, I buy coffee every day.
How much do you spend on coffee?
About $5 every day.
$5? That is a lot.
I know. That is $150 a month.
Wow, that is expensive.
Yes, so now I make coffee at home.
That is a good idea.
Yes, it saves me a lot of money.
How much does it cost to make coffee at home?
Maybe $20 a month?
So you save $130 every month.
Exactly. That is a big difference.
What do you do with the money you save?
I put it in my savings account.
A savings account. That is smart.
Yes, saving money is very important.
I agree. Everyone should save money.
How much money do you save every month, Olivia?
I try to save 10% of my income.
10%. That is a good amount.
Yes, some months I save more, some months less.
That is normal. Life is unpredictable.
Exactly. Sometimes we have unexpected expenses.
Unexpected expenses? Like what?
Like when my car broke down last month.
Oh no, that is expensive.
Yes, I had to pay $300 for repairs.
That is a lot of money.
Yes, but I had savings, so it was okay.
That is why saving is important.
Exactly. Savings help us in emergencies.
So let's talk about different types of expenses.
Good idea. What types are there?
There are fixed expenses and variable expenses.
Fixed and variable? What is the difference?
Fixed expenses are the same every month.
Like rent?
Exactly. Rent is the same every month.
What else is a fixed expense?
Internet and phone bills.
Oh, yes, those are the same every month.
What about variable expenses?
Variable expenses change every month?
Exactly. They are different each month.
Like food.
Yes, food costs are different every month.
Sometimes I spend more, sometimes less.
Exactly. That is a variable expense.
What else is a variable expense?
Entertainment?
Entertainment, like movies?
Yes, movies, concerts, restaurants.
Oh, I see. Those are not the same every month.
Exactly. Some months you go out more.
And some months you stay home more.
That's right. So the cost changes.
I understand now. This is helpful.
Good. Now let's talk about saving strategies.
Saving strategies? What are those?
Strategies are plans to help you save money.
Oh, like tips and tricks?
Exactly. Do you have any saving strategies?
Yes, I use the 50-30-20 rule.
The 50-30-20 rule? What is that?
It's a simple way to divide your money.
How does it work?
50% of your income goes to needs.
Needs? Like rent and food?
Exactly, the essential things.
What about the other 50%?
30% goes to wants.
Wants? What are wants?
Wants are things you enjoy but don't need.
Like entertainment and hobbies.
Exactly. Movies, restaurants, shopping.
I see. And the last 20%?
The last 20% goes to savings.
So you save 20% of your income?
I try to. Sometimes it's hard.
But it is a good goal.
Yes, it helps me stay organized.
That is a great strategy.
Thank you. Do you have a strategy, John?
Yes, I use the envelope method.
The envelope method. What is that?
I put cash in different envelopes.
Different envelopes for different things?
Exactly. One envelope for food, one for transportation.
Oh, so you can see how much you have left?
Exactly. When the envelope is empty, I stop spending.
That is a good way to control spending.
Yes, it helps me stay on budget.
Do you use cash for everything?
No, not everything, but I use it for variable expenses.
Like food and entertainment?
Exactly. It helps me not overspend.
That is smart. I should try that.
You should. It really works.
Okay, I will try it next month.
Great. Now let's talk about common money mistakes.
Money mistakes? What are those?
Mistakes that people make with money.
Oh, like spending too much?
Yes, that is a common mistake.
What other mistakes do people make?
Not having an emergency fund.
An emergency fund? What is that?
It's money you save for emergencies.
Like when your car breaks down?
Exactly. Or if you lose your job.
Oh, that is very important.
Yes, everyone should have an emergency fund.
How much money should be in the emergency fund?
Experts say 3 to 6 months of expenses.
3 to 6 months, that is a lot.
Yes, but it keeps you safe.
I understand. It takes time to save that much.
Exactly. You save a little bit every month.
What other mistakes do people make?
Using credit cards too much.
Credit cards? Why is that a mistake?
Because credit cards have high interest.
Interest? What is that?
Interest is extra money you pay when you borrow.
Oh, so you pay more than you borrowed.
Exactly. Credit card interest is very high.
How high?
Sometimes 15% or 20% or more.
That is very high.
Yes, so it is better to use cash or debit cards.
I see. Only use credit cards if you can pay them off?
Exactly. Pay the full amount every month.
That way, you don't pay interest.
Exactly. You are learning fast, Olivia.
Thank you, John. This is helpful.
What other money mistakes are there?
Not planning for the future?
Exactly. That is a big mistake.
What do you mean by planning for the future?
I mean saving for retirement.
Retirement? When you stop working?
Exactly. When you are old, you need money.
But retirement is far away.
Yes, but you need to start saving now.
Why start now?
Because your money grows over time.
Grows? How?
through interest and investments.
Oh, so the earlier you start, the more you have?
Exactly. Time is your friend when saving.
I understand. I should start saving for retirement.
Yes, even a small amount helps.
How much should I save?
Start with 5% or 10% of your income.
That is not too much.
No, and it will grow over the years.
That is good advice, John.
Thank you. Now let's talk about ways to save money.
Yes, I love saving money.
What are some ways you save money?
I cook at home instead of eating out.
That is a great way to save.
Yes, restaurants are expensive.
How much do you save by cooking at home?
A lot. Maybe $200 a month.
That is a big saving.
Yes, and home cooking is healthier too.
That's true. What else do you do?
I buy things on sale.
Sales are great for saving money.
Yes, I wait for sales before I buy.
That is smart. Do you use coupons?
Sometimes, but not always.
Coupons can save you money too.
Yes, that is true. What do you do to save money, John?
I cancel subscriptions I don't use,
Subscriptions? Like what?
like streaming services or gym memberships.
Oh, if you don't use them, cancel them?
Exactly. I was paying for 3 streaming services.
3? That is a lot.
Yes, but I only watched one.
So you canceled the other 2.
Exactly. I save $20 a month now.
That is smart. Small savings add up.
Exactly. Every dollar counts.
What else can people do to save money?
They can use public transportation.
Instead of driving a car?
Exactly. Cars are expensive.
Yes, gas, insurance, repairs.
All of those cost money.
Public transportation is cheaper.
Much cheaper and better for the environment.
That is true. What else?
Buy used items instead of new,
Used items. Like what?
like furniture, books, or clothes.
Oh, from thrift stores?
Exactly. Thrift stores have good deals.
Yes, and you can find nice things.
Exactly. Not everything needs to be new.
That is true. It saves money and reduces waste.
Exactly. It's good for your wallet and the planet.
I like that idea.
Okay, Olivia, let's summarize what we talked about.
Good idea. What did we discuss today?
We talked about money and budgets,
Yes, we talked about what money is for.
basic needs, transportation, and healthcare.
We talked about making a budget.
Write down your income and expenses.
We talked about fixed and variable expenses.
Fixed expenses stay the same, variable expenses change.
We talked about saving strategies.
The 50-30-20 rule and the envelope method.
We talked about common money mistakes.
Not saving for emergencies and using credit cards too much.
We talked about planning for retirement.
Start saving early, even small amounts.
And we talked about ways to save money.
Cook at home, buy on sale, cancel unused subscriptions.
Use public transportation and buy used items.
These are all great tips.
Yes, I hope our listeners learned something today.
I hope so too. Money is important.
But it doesn't have to be scary.
Exactly. With a plan, you can manage your money.
And feel less stressed.
That's right. Take control of your money.
Don't let money control you.
Exactly. That is great advice.
So, dear listeners, start making a budget today.
Write down your income and expenses.
See where your money goes.
Find ways to save money.
Even small savings make a difference.
Build an emergency fund.
Save for your future.
And remember, it is okay to start small.
Yes, every journey starts with one step.
You can do this.
We believe in you.
Thank you for listening to our podcast today.
We hope you found it helpful.
Please share this episode with your friends.
Yes, everyone needs to learn about money.
And don't forget to practice your English every day.
Even 10 minutes makes a difference.
We will see you in the next episode.
Until then, take care of your money.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.